Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's now time for your midday sports report. Jamaica and West Indies all-rounder Andre Russell says he expects to return to competitive cricket by the middle of this month. Russell was limited to only one appearance against England in the 5-match T20 series last November due to injuries. Russell says he has no issues delaying his retirement from international cricket in order to play another T20 World Cup for the West Indies. Russell had announced that he would call time on his international career following the T20 World Cup in the Caribbean last June, but was asked by coach Darren Sammy to delay his retirement with a view of being part of the setup for the 2026 event in India and Sri Lanka. Russell, who will be 38 at the time of the World Cup, says he sees where his presence in the team will be beneficial. Russell featured in 12 T20 internationals for the West Indies in 2024 and was named alongside Nicholas Puran in the ESPN T20 Team of the Year. The West Indies women are set to host Bangladesh women in a white ball series from January 14 to February 1 in St. Kitts and Nevis. The series will feature 3 one-day internationals, ODIs, and 3 T20 internationals, all to be played at Warner Park in Basseterre. The series will get underway with the first one-day international on January 19, followed by the second match on January 21 and the third and final match January 24. The Windies will be seeking important women's championship points in the ODI series. Following the ODI series, the teams will compete in 3 T20 international matches on January 27, 29 and 31. The Jamaica Racing Commission, JRC, is looking to have its racehorse retirement program formalized this year, and a space has been identified for the initiative. The regulators say it underscores the racing industry's commitment to responsible practices and the welfare of retired racehorses. General Manager of the JRC, Richard Longmore, says land space has been acquired and he is hoping that by sometime this year, the Commission will have something going. And that's your midday news. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us again for the primetime news at 7. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.